losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that...
Okay guys, so I had this shelf all set up. I had everything in it how I wanted it, and then I was like, oh, that's right, I wanted to like try and color in some of the details on the shelving. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these markers that I've got and I was kind of looking for like a copper color, but we'll see how these look on here. I'm just gonna kind of do a little mark on the bottom or the back of this to see how the color looks, and then we'll decide from there which color I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try a few other colors that I've got and see. That one maybe. And this one is brick brown, which is weird. But I figured I'd try an orange and see if that looks like coppery against the black. Oh yeah, that one definitely looks more coppery. I think we're gonna try this one. So let's try down here just in case. I want it to look kind of worn.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Okay guys, there's the shelf painted. Tell me what you think. I think next shelf I print, I might try that. I might try and use the rub and buff next time. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is the color that I'm using. It's from a marker set that I got off of Amazon. I can always, if you guys want, just leave me a question in the comments and I can always send you a snapshot of what it looks like. But so let's go ahead and we'll get all my stuff added into the bookshelf. Okay, these are all from my Harry Potter mini brands, or Miniverse, sorry, they're Miniverse sets. I have another whole box of Miniverses to open. So I probably am going to do another one of these because I still have lots more of these to open yet. And I want to say there's like a total of 12 potions, I believe. And I do have some of the grails. I have Miss Umbridge's tea set too, but that one's not going to be in this set. I'm going to end up, when I do the next shelf, I'll probably put it in that set. And then I also have mini brand books. Sorry, the dogs are getting a little rambunctious. I have mini brand books too. I took most of them are all my horror ones. So I have like Pride, Prejudice, and Zombies. And then Stranger Things, Vampire Diaries. I believe this is Mrs. Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. Another Pride, Prejudice, and Zombies. So yeah, just all kind of horror books. I'm going to set them up in here too, because this shelf actually fits the mini brands perfect. And I actually upsized this shelf. This shelf, the file is on Maker's World. If you guys want, I think I'm going to make it's my, on Creality, or I'm sorry, on Maker's World. I'll have to look up my username, but I'll try it if you guys want. I think it is public, but I'll look up my username and I'll put that down in the description. So in case you guys want to find this file, you guys could just go there, and I should have the file saved under my favorites. So we're just going to kind of go ahead and set up some of these books. So I have a lot of cool potions. This one's got a snake on it. I don't remember which potion that one is. And then I have this potion that comes with a little stand.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. If you ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me.
Alright guys, there it is. There's my little bookshelf for my little miniatures. It turned out super cute. I can't wait to do the next one. Feel free to put some comments in there if you guys find anything that you like, you want to comment on. I'm totally down for it. Thanks, guys.